During these more than 2 decades, I've always been looking for an opportunity to develop my managerial skills. Let's say leadership, business planning, regional strategies, etc. But you can imagine how busy I am in job commitments plus family responsibilities. So I was putting that off for different reasons. Until I came to know about SB Jain, I received recommendations from some friends and I said, this is the time, let me do it. And the more I studied and learned about SB Jain, the more I became enthusiastic. And I'm happy that I'm here, and I would like to thank all the management of SB Jain and the whole team for bringing such opportunity for people like me.
The reason why I chose MBA program is I want to improve my leadership skills and also learn strategic management to become a global leader. And SP Jain is very dear to me. I've worked with many colleagues who have passed from this institution, and I've seen they are doing very good in their career.
I'm optometrist in Dubai Health since 12 years, and now I'm here in SP Jain. I would like to learn more about the hospital managerial positions and the work in the corporate culture, and this is the right place to learn all those skills.